Hello there, this is Glenn Joy and welcome to this tutorial on how to create invoices using Xero accounting software. Invoicing is a crucial part of managing your business. And with Xero, it is super easy. In the next few minutes, I'll guide you throughout the entire process, from creating an invoice to sending it to your clients. So let's get started. Once you log into your Xero account, you will land on the dashboard. In here, we will use the demo company. The shortest way from here is to click the Create New. In here, we'll find the invoice. And you will land on the invoice page. This is the new invoice form. Another way is to go to the Business tab on this upper part. And then you click the Invoices. Today, we will just create the new invoice, a single invoice, but you can also create new recurring invoice and also this one. You can add group, you can support client, and you have these transactions. So we have new invoice over here. Again, here's the invoice page where you can manage all your billing. In the to field, pick your customer. You can also add a customer and enter their details. Then, set the invoice date and also the due date. This ensures that both you and your client are on the same page regarding the payment timelines. You can also add the reference number if needed, especially useful for tracking of client-specific requirements, this reference number. In the item section, type or create what you are billing for. Xero allows you to create product or services this in advance, saving time on future invoices. So be sure to enter the correct quantity, the price, and double check if the tax rate is correct. So in this particular invoice, we have the total 500 and the GST on income is 50. That gives us 10% GST. When you click the show fields, you can also include discount in amount or in percentage. You can also add note or personalized message to your client. Just like this one, thank you for your business, and you can also add bank details. This helps clients know exactly how to pay you. After double checking and all the details are entered, click preview. This ensures that everything is good, and if you're happy with it, everything is okay, hit approve and email to send the email, this invoice to your client. If you prefer other delivery methods, you can save this as PDF. And there you have it, guys.